Kawai na kislam ay Jingnang Jing start kabla Slamba Riboy District ka Raitong Lower Primary School ka Bahab Amauti Constituency haka hinyo trik unaywieng arajar pusaw kala rakhe ya ka Jingdap nyo pusan snem lani ka Platinum Jubilee haka Jingak linti ban ay ka Jing Shakri ya ka Pule Puthi haka ni kasngi lawan ban ya shimbenta lang do Myntri badikmi ka Pule Puthi urakam e sangma kumukongsan haringkat ka Jingedon lang ba Charles Marngar MLA MDC ka Amauti Constituency kumusumbuot kongsan ka Ruby Z Das ka Joint Director ka Tanat District School Education ka Sarkar Jila ki Officer Sarkar ki Khana Pule ki Noi Kai na Lord kiwe haba ay jingkran na kani kasngi rakam e sangma wala kular ban pinbet pinbiang ya ki Jingdon kam kat kumbala kerpat ki nong penyat ka Skul haka bawla Pynbna ba ka Sarkar kaladap ban mang na kabenta bantay ka yeng Skul ka bakham he ka bandon hadu kumbahan riau hadu nyaw teli ki kamra kelas na lor kataw la ongru ban Kyntiew ka Kampuli Puthi ka Jila ka Sarkar ka labu ya ka Jingtmu ban ay kilat Jingïarap syabaro ki Skul Sarkar ka Jila ki bidang dana pedang ki Jingduna ki babon.
I think today you have submitted one memorandum about this building without looking at I have already gone through, but to me I want to assure you that this Raitong Government LP School will receive a sanction for new construction of the new government school building in next few months, which will be having a 6 to 7 rooms additional. And not only this school, many 4, 5, 6, 7 new buildings will be constructed under our honorable MLA's constituency. But not only this, for the entire district, it's my request to the DSO. There are many schools which have been properly monitored. Data has not been corrected. Therefore, just get the data correct so that which schools will be needing which need some intervention here and there. There's some school which just only the furniture. There's some school which only the change of roof. There's some school which are small repairing. Some school need a completely new. So therefore, under mission education, government of Meghalaya is planning to completely transform the government institutions first. And we understand the shortage of the teachers that we are looking at. And also from the government, we will proceed to the deficit and even to the adopt and some private.
Nakaliang uba Charles Marngar laong makasnong Raitong kadikasnong kabla rimba kadayhok pan Kyntiew no yaka habaro kiliang kamtam ka Pule Puthi namar bakani ka Skul kala kenjo shadu ka hinyo pusan snem ka Sarkar kala day ban Kyntiew kerdan no nakalawa primary shaka upper primary lani wa shaka kerdan secondary hadu higher secondary.
Kasnong Raitong kasnong kabla rimtam nyo perusahaan teligi senam tang ke Skul nak history ni Skul tu bakalayan kena tiga bercerong bah kamdesu ban sakut tang ha ke government LP Skul kalau dia kepor ban upgrade saka upper primary lane upgradation to secondary hadu higher secondary masuk kemen menit tu IP ngadon baka Sarkar menta arbna ngalala banwara kumba atusan kurori apok konsensus kamlong ke besuk dai halor kita ki gejing sadin juga konsensus ke penlong yang ngaban shim ni karan kum kupa bangabdon hangno ke jakat berbiang tam bagan syakri nakam tak ke konsensus ngadon kam gejing kersan gejing pi uban sal sumat form gano ke uniform mereka berdan kam golong berpin kersan ni bo baunya bantakor
Habatin pej bahagi kishap kashap plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangibam duna ki eki batay kamet namar kata habathiru atau khaw kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.